The first few words you go through here will depict what is your mindset. Motivation, ability, leader, mentor, guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Amish here and hope you all are doing really well. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which you all might have felt sometime in your life and that's very, very relevant to each one of you. The power of overthinking and how to overcome it. So I'm going to just quickly run through this. And the first bit is that you need to believe in yourself. Once you believe in yourself, you would actually find it that it's too easy and I can actually crack it. May it be a deal, may it be an important business presentation, may it be your favorite dream job interview, may it be anything in life. Once you have a beautiful mindset and you are actually self confident, you will be able to crack it. It's so easy. All you need to do over in there in that moment is that you need to believe that okay, fine, whatever that I have done, I've done it to the best of my ability. And your ability is not to be judged or measured by people, it needs to be quantified by you yourself. Once that you find that I am worthiness of this job or I'm worthiness of this client that I can probably train or coach or whatever your domain may be, you'll actually find that I was actually doing great there. Next up is just don't actually think that you're the lone survivor here. People on a larger mindset, on a holistical mindset, would have had gone through much deeper things, and they might not even show you. For an example, do you really think so people boast about their failures on Instagram or on Facebook? No, they don't. They just boast about, oh, I've done this much, I've done this much, I've done this much. But then, how much is it logical? Now you are thinking about your success and you're so much overthinking about it that it's actually creating a negative vibe on your mind. Once you talk about a negative vibe, it's very simple. If you are having a negative mindset, you cannot really succeed in that thing. Until the time you don't succeed, how do you expect that people would believe in you and probably invest for you or do anything of that sort? So, guys, here I would like to talk about the thin line difference between positive motivation, overthinking, and negative motivation, overthinking. Overthinking, and overthinking. You might have something that's actually very important to be cracked upon, and you might think over a zillion times over it, and you'll be like, how am I going to do this? I don't know how will I be able to succeed in it. Think to a point where you're motivated. Once you're motivated, you're all charged, and you'll actually find the results. Results are going on beautiful, superb, fantastic. Those are the works you're actually worthy of. And once you do not actually understand that, where do I need to stop the thinking process? If you're not stopping your thinking process, how do you actually think that you'll be able to channelize your energy and emotions into the dream aspect that you're actually working for? Maybe a job, maybe a promotion, maybe anything at all. Having a beautiful mindset at work, a job, or your own work, it's the penultimate and the most important thing that you require right now. Once you have everything that's laid out for you, you might have a beautiful life to live. But if you're not happy enough, you think about all the negatives. We all have a zillion negative things to think about. But what we do, we look at the positives and we move forward. And that's actually what everyone requires at that point of time. Only when you are positive and you are thinking beautifully from your point of view. If I probably think, oh, 2 months back I started this YouTube channel and I was too pensive about how will it turn out to be. Today I'm actually turning out to be quite well with all of your blessings and your motivation. Everything that you guys talk to me about, I take it in a stride, in a positive stride. That is the way you actually differentiate between it. And how do you actually come up with it? Is it you actually wanted to start up with a YouTube channel? You actually wanted to start up with that entrepreneurship project? You actually wanted to do that startup? Where did you lack up? You think you always kept on thinking that it's not the right time, it's not the right time, it's not the right time. Right now, you have a beautiful time to think, ponder, and act. Act when you actually think that, okay, I'm almost there. All I need is a 10% push. And once you're done with that, you'll actually find that you're succeeding, multiplying, multiplying, and multiplying. So all that's required in you and right now is that you start today and believe in yourself that you've got this. Once you believe that you've gotten this and you have everything that you find is logical, you will be able to maintain it. And trust me, it's not actually that tough. One push, one self belief. Just think of that one person who believes in you and who tells you, listen, if you fall back, I'm here to push you back again. But don't worry, that's a part of the process. Keep moving forward, keep moving ahead. Thank you.